everybody, Aaron Zabzo, FireRescueFitness.com. Today I wanted to talk to you, firefighters, EMTs, paramedics, about one fitness tool that you all need, we all need, and that's the foam roller. The foam roller has been around for a while now, and hopefully you have them in your stations and at your own home, as a matter of fact. They're very affordable. You'll see them at Target, you'll see them on Amazon. The idea behind the foam roller is that they help with recovery. When you go through a tough shift or when you go through a hard workout, what happens is that your muscles actually get these adhesions in them, or balls of scar tissue actually, or damage. And what the foam roller does, uses your own body weight to take these adhesions and try to basically get more blood flow through to that area, help them recover, and then help your body move more efficiently, which then transfers on to better performance. You feel better, you're less likely for injury, especially overuse injury. So this fitness tool can help prolong your career. And if you don't have one, get one, which is why I'm talking to you today, because it's helped me, it's helped numerous people in my department and people that I work with, and highly encourage you to get one. You can incorporate it into your workouts after you do a dynamic warm-up or an active movement warm-up. You could hop on the foam roller for 4 or 5 minutes, go through your workout. You can actually do it at the end to help you recover. Personally, I like to do some stretches and foam roll every morning before my shift, just to help me get moving better and performing better throughout the day. How you foam roll, what you want to do is find what we call hot spots. You want to sit on these hot spots, or you want to keep pressure on these hot spots for 20 to 30 seconds. Today I'm just going to demonstrate 6 positions that you can use. You can literally go almost any position: chest, back, glutes, hamstrings, quads. I think for fire rescue athletes like you and me, the calves, the quads, the glutes, low back, upper back, and hamstrings are some of the key ones to do. So when you're looking at calves, what you want to do is you can use one leg, or if you want more pressure, you can put your other leg on top. What you're basically doing is rolling from the knee down to the ankle, and what you want, as soon as you find, like for me, I know that's always a hot spot, you want to apply pressure as much as you can tolerate for about 20 or 30 seconds. So for the calves, you can do both at the same time, but if you need more tension or pressure, you just cross over. Then for hamstrings, same thing. You're going to roll from the bottom fold of the glutes to the back of the knees. You can cross over. You can actually just have one leg on and do one leg at a time. And what you'll do is slowly roll. You find a hot spot, and you pause for 20 or 30 seconds. So you got calves, you got hamstrings, quads. You're going to roll over. Same thing. You can do one leg, or you can do both, where you'll just apply pressure over the top of the foam roller. You find that hot spot. You're going to roll from your knees all the way up to just to the top of the bottom part of the hips. Now glutes, this is one of my love-hate ones. With glutes, what you're going to do is sit on the roller, and you can cross one knee up over your other leg, and you just rotate your body weight, find that hot spot, hold it for 20 or 30 seconds. Then of course, you know, with all of these, if you're going to do one leg at a time, you want to make sure that you do the other leg as well. So glutes. Now low back can get a little tricky, but I've seen some people hold it in place and roll from side to side from a seated position. Personally, I like to just roll back over the top, use my shoulders and my head, stabilize, and roll to one side of the low back and find a spot. You can do the same thing with your upper back. So you'll cross your hands up over your chest, raise your hips, roll to one side. You don't want to roll on the spine. You want to roll just to the muscles on either side. And those 6 positions or body parts will really, really help you move better, perform better on the fire ground. I encourage you to give it more than a week whenever you foam roll, because at first you're going to love it, you're going to hate it, it's going to hurt a little bit. But what you'll notice is that you recover a little bit faster and better, you move a little bit better, and you actually feel better. So foam roller, one of the essential tools that every firefighter, EMT, and paramedic need. That and fire rescue fitness, so keep checking back.